All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a bookstore, a ebook library to your mobile app. Let's say you an author and you have ebooks that you want your users who download your mobile app to read right from their phones. To do that, real simple, there's several ways you can bring in a bookstore or create a bookstore. But to first bring it into the home page, you can do like you've done for everything else and start by click add item, and here you will see library. You can click library from here and create a library from this place, or a bookstore is one of the items that you can add to your mobile app tabs that are always at the bottom of your mobile app. Remember, you can have up to 6 tabs. So let's say you want your bookstore to be one of your main features. To add that bookstore tab, just click manage tab and then click create tab, and then there you go. You see bookstore as an option. Click bookstore, click next. And remember, tab is one of the 6 items that you can have at the bottom of your mobile app. That's always there, always visible, right? And this is what your books will look like as you stack them up. Click next, and we're just going to call this books. We're going to title it books. Let me capitalize that. Scroll down until I find a book that I like, an icon that I like. Click create. Now I have my books icon tab. Bring it to the top. Don't forget to hit save. Once you do that, click the back button, and now you see that books are there. If you click on this book tab, you would notice that by default we created an untitled ebook library for you, right? We're going to now add books inside this ebook library. To do that, we want to just simply head back over to media assets and click on bookstore, and then simply go over from the ebook to the ebook library tab. Click ebook library tab, and there you go. There is the untitled ebook library that is created by default. To change the artwork and the title, just simply click on it and it brings you to the description page. We're going to remove the word untitled and just call it my ebooks library, and of course be whatever you want it to be. As you can see, by default there is a untitled ebook here for you, and we'll edit that here in just a second. What do we want to do? We want to always click save. Constantly get in the habit of clicking save, because if you back out before you save it, you have lost everything that you've just done. Now let's go ahead and change the artwork like we've done for everything else. I'm going to upload a bookstore artwork. Remember, this can be whatever you want it to be that represents your bookstore, so that when users see this bookstore on your mobile app, they will see the artwork that you have created. This is what we're creating right now. This is what we're adding right now. And of course, the final step, click apply. Don't forget, if you don't have a graphic designer, you can use photop.com. It's free. It's a free editor that you can use that can create very basic, very good, simple artwork like this that you can utilize for your mobile app designs. Now click save. Now that I've saved it, I have it published, I have a title, subtitle, my default book is already in place. Now we want to edit this ebook, right? And again, you can add another ebook by creating an ebook from here if you like to, or we're going to just edit the default ebook that's created for us by adding our own book cover and our own title. So we click on it and it brings us to the ebook description page. We're just going to call this the book title, and then you have a subtitle. You are the author, right? You want to have a description of your ebook. That all goes right here, and then you want to bring in your ebook file. That's going to be either a PDF in book format or a EPUB file, right? EPUBs work so much better, but we can accept a PDF format if that's all you have. Simply click on that, and we're going to upload the EPUB file, as you can see right here, .epub. Now that has been uploaded, notice that it uploaded with a default book cover. We're going to change that here in a second. We're going to come down to the appearance section, and here this is where we upload our book cover, right? So we're going to just click on the book cover, and as you can see, we've already have uploaded book covers prior to, but if you need to upload your book cover for the first time, like you've done for everything else, simply just click upload image and go to where you saved your book title book cover to. Just double click it once you bring it in, and as you notice, once I've changed it here, it also changed here as well, right? And at this point I got to decide, is this book for free, or does this book require for my users to sign up so I can collect their data, which is their first and last name, cell phone number, and email address that you can use to help market to them down the road? Or is this part of a subscription plan? We'll talk about subscriptions a little bit later. Or is it a one-time price? Is it just one-time price? Let's say you want to sell it for $19.99 and click save, right? But right now we're going to make it free for everybody and just click save. Now we've added our first ebook inside of our ebook library. Just click the back button and you've noticed there is my first ebook. I can repeat this process and add another book. Let's just go ahead and do that. We're going to click add item. This time we're going to create a bookstore from here. Add bookstore. We're going to call this my second book. If I can spell today. All right, and then it is in draft status, so we're going to click on it so we can publish it. Subtitle, author's name, description, all of these things are self-explanatory, right? I'm going to bring in an EPUB file. I'm just going to use the same EPUB file that we used before, but we're going to change the cover, all right? And so this time I'm going to click on it, and it opens up our library of upload images. This time I'm just going to click on another book cover. I'm going to center this off. I'm going to upload it, double click it like I've done everything else, and there you go. My second book, That Simple, has been uploaded. And again, I got to decide the pricing. I got to click save next. Once that is done, now don't forget to click the publish button. That makes it live for the world to be able to see. Once I click publish, I get a notification that it was published successfully. Click the back button. And now I'm going to add my second book inside of my bookstore library. Click my second book, click apply, and click save. And there I go. Now I have my first book and my second book. Another side note before I let you go, you can change the positions by simply coming and grabbing these square dots, these dots in the form of a square, and that allows you to drag it and drop it and change the position of your books. Well, now I need to go ahead and bring this bookstore inside of our mobile app homepage. So to do that, go back to apps, click add item. This time we're going to click library, and there's the brand new library that we've created, my ebook library. Click apply, and there you go. It has brought the bookstore inside of my home page of my mobile app. Don't forget to click save, and that's it. You've successfully added a ebook library or ebook store inside your mobile app. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Continue to watch the videos as we continue to help you build your amazing mobile app and get it ready to be published for the world to see.